Based in Youngstown, Ohio, Polaris Windows has been servicing customers nationwide with high-quality replacement windows, entry doors, and patio doors since 1959. Polaris is best known for providing good quality products at affordable prices. Polaris Custom manufactures its entire line of window products. The company's signature brand series are the UltraWELD, ThermalWELD PLUS, and DynaWELD Series windows. Polaris windows are available primarily in vinyl. Polaris Windows offers windows in the following styles: awning, casement, double hung, glider, bay, and bow windows. Polaris Windows Reviews maintain an average score of 82% across several online review sites. This equates to a 4.10 out of 5-star rating on average, which is good. In addition, the company currently maintains an A+ Better Business Bureau rating on limited reviews. Recent customers have most cited good quality products at fair prices as the primary reasons for choosing Polaris Windows for their replacement window project. In comparison to its competition, Polaris window prices would rank slightly below the median price for average replacement windows, making them an affordable option for budget-conscious homeowners. For more replacement window reviews and detailed pricing information on the leading window brands, please visit us at ProReplacementWindows.com today.